If you find you have a draft at the bottom of your door, even when it's closed, a simple adjustment on the roller cam and the actual keep on the frame is probably all you would require. So what you want to do is locate the locking cam. These will have a little line on them showing which direction the roller is, either inwards or outwards, also known as winter and summertime. You can see my other video regarding that. So what you want to find is the little line here, and move that towards the inside of the house. So this is now going to be tighter to pull against the keep on the outside of the door. If you feel that's just not enough, what you want to do is move round to the opposite side of the door on the keep of the frame and adjust that also. So yours might have screws rather than this one here that's got an Allen key adjustment. As you can see, again, the little lines, you want to turn them so they're facing the outside, which is bringing the locking roller cam further away from the inside. This is you now at maximum tightness adjustment. So what you'll find is when you close your door over, from before, you might find that there was a slight gap and you can feel the draft, and as soon as you lock that door, you can see that pulling. Try to get a better angle at that. You can actually hear it pulling against the frame and the gasket moving and compressing. And that should resolve any drafts coming through this part of the door.